All right, so welcome back. Everything's just about done here. We're taking it out of the oven. And I put the carbonara back in the oven just to get a little bit of brown on the cheese. And which is not quite done yet, but at least the asparagus is done. You can see, that's pretty thin asparagus, but that looks nice and roasted and crunchy and beautiful, doesn't it? Look at that. That's delicious. So what we're going to do is now we're going to plate. I'm going to grab that asparagus. You want to leave room for the carbonara. And let's check on that carbonara and see how we're doing. Let's see. Yeah, we're pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So now what we're going to do is now we're going to plate as soon as I take that paper off. There we go. I'm just going to stir this up again. That roasted secret ingredient there, which is Asiago. I just think it tastes great. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. We'll shut that oven off. And now, I'm going to plate. And then I can listen to the kids complain because I used mushrooms. But you know what? If you don't like the mushrooms, pick them away, move them aside. That's all. Right, guys? Never mind. All right, so there's one and two. So, there we have it. You want to make your kids, you want to make your family a perfect meal? Just make them carbonara, that's all. And I think that, I try to make it as easy as possible for you. And everybody's going to love it when it's done. So I don't know what else to tell you. But till next time, I'll try to do this every week and do a different meal every week for you. I will see you later. Thank you.